For your tummy.
Okay, good. Come banana. Huh? Good. What are you doing?
I don't know that there's another kit for a monkey, but we can do another animal. There's bears and lions.
What? What? What?
You working?
Yeah. Do a little bit.
Labor Day.
Right. It's Memorial Day.
It's what?
Memorial Day. I gotta hang my flag.
Memorial Day. You're not supposed to work on Memorial Day.
I know. Okay. Okay. Go. Ah, banana fell. Go. Go.
Mom, look.
Go.
Mom, I got the animals to make.
Okay.
Banana. Banana. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh. Are you tired? Okay, say bye.